What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of JustHash.Me tutorials. Today we're going to take a look at mining some Akroma with Claymore Miner. So let's jump in. Let's go ahead and open up our browser and head on over to JustHash.me. And pull it up here. We're going to go to the download section. And then we're going to hit up Claymore Miner. And let's download it. We're going to go ahead and let that download and then get it open and extract it to our desktop. If you look in there, there's a bunch of files and whatnot. The one that we're going to be focusing on is start.bat. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at our pool, which is comining.io. Go ahead and log in and connect your Google account. And from here you can see I'm mining Akroma. If we go to the home page though, you can see what coins are available to mine. And it will give you basic command line configs. And to take a look at the previous blocks that have been submitted to the pool. So today, we're doing Akroma. Let's go ahead and make a worker. I'm going to click add worker there. And type in a worker name. Put in a description. And here you can mine all the coins that were shown. Today we're going to do Akroma in a pool setting and do the 5G. We can also do solo if we wanted to, but for now it's we're going to do pool. All right. So we have that. Yeah, I'm currently mining solo. Alright, so now we need to generate our config. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to JustHash. We go up to the mining tab and click on Claymore config generator. And what we're going to do here is basically just plug in everything to this generator, and it's going to get spit us out a config that we can just paste. So we need to copy our server address, which is s.comining.io. And from there we'll take it and plug it in to our pool URL. I know that the pool port is 9999. Now our wallet address, we can go up and click on our account. And it'll give us our account ID right there at the top. We can Control C that to copy, Control V to paste there. And now our worker name I know was JH Video. So I just put period JH Video. Now the normal Ethereum intensity is 8, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. We'll use all pools 1 for mining Ethereum fork. Same for all coins 1. Now worker name we're not really going to use because this pool doesn't require it, unlike other pool software. So we'll just skip over that for now, and then you can choose dev fee yes or no. So with this we're going to want to copy all of that. And now we'll go into our Claymore folder. And we're going to go to start.bat, right click it, and click edit. Alright, we're going to highlight everything in here. Yours may be different. And then we're going to Control V to paste. Alright, the only thing we're not going to use here is that -e worker, because this pool doesn't need it. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. from here, all we got to do is save it and start it. So really, the whole process to get started mining, if you have a video card in your system, is really simple. The good thing about comining.io is the fact that if you want to change it, you can go back and edit your worker and switch it over to another coin. One thing that I didn't cover in this is that you need to attach your actual coin wallet to your comining.io wallet. And to do that, you basically go into your account on comining.io and click on the wallets button, and you'll see the area to attach your Akroma wallet or whatever coin you may be mining to your co-mining wallet. You can set the minimum payouts back there, and once you reach that minimum payout, well, you'll get paid. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to join us over on our Discord. You can get there by going to bit.ly/JustHashDiscord, or you can click the link at the top of our website. We're always open to questions, and hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.